Wimpy looks like the Wicked Witch. Yeah.
Who's your favorite witchy?
Linda.
Glinda?
Yeah.
Is your favorite witch?
Yeah.
Why do you like...
What you do like? What do you like?
I like Dorothy?
You like the Wicked Witch.
Oh. What does the Wicked Witch say?
Says, I'll get you, my pretty. You gotta do ah! Ah!
What does Dorothy say?
Say, oh no, what you know? Oh, let me go. From Kansas. Oh!
What does Glinda say?
Hey, boys. Alright.
What does the Munchkin say?
Ah!
The Munchkins?
No.
What do the Munchkins say?
I know.
Do they sing a song?
Yeah.
What do they sing?
July pumpkin, July pumpkin, July pumpkin.
What does the Scarecrow say?
I know.
What does the Tin Man say?
I know.
What does the Lion say?
Yeah.
Should we finish?
He's woof, woof.
He does.
I said the wrong word that he says.
What does he say?
His woof, woof.
Hey, what do you say we finish some mac and cheese?